Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 7th. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Bera Foundation College Nusharaf Rose, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to study about the user computer interface. So in this topic we have to concentrate on the words or the titles that are the headings of the title. Number one is user, second one is computer interface. So dear students, user, you know that we are the users. Computer is our operating machine, means computer is a electronic machine that we operate. So dear students, there is another relationship between user and computer, that is interface. Interface means it is the path, it is the way through which we give instructions to computer, or in other words we can say that interface is the way of communication, or interface creates the environment which enables user to give his or her instructions to the computer for the purpose to perform a specific task. So dear students, you know that computer is a machine, but computer is operated by a source. That source is known as an operating system. So dear students, an operating system enables computer to execute the programs, system softwares as well as application softwares, and an operating system enables all the peripheral devices that are attached to the system unit and makes computer to be opened in front of user. And an operating system creates an environment through which a user enables himself to give instructions to a computer to perform a specific task. So dear students, when we switch on the computer, an operating system is running from secondary storage devices to the main memory and enables all the parts of the computers to execute the instructions or the programs that are given by the users through the input devices, or that are indicated by the users stored on the backup storage devices. So all these functions are created to be performed by the operating system. So dear students, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यूज़र इंटरफेस क्या होता है? यूज़र इंटरफेस के थ्रू आउट हम जो यूज़र्स हैं वो कंप्यूटर से आसानी से इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे पास, फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर सिटिंग ऑन द कंप्यूटर सिस्टम and you are going to give some instructions to the computer. So an operating system, just like in today's time or in today's period, the most familiar operating system is Windows. So Windows is an operating system which is known as the graphical user interface. Windows is used to maintain the computer, and Windows maintains all the peripheral devices of a computer and creates an environment through which a user can give instructions to the computers. So dear students, an operating system just like Windows, DOS, Unix, Linux, all are known as the operating systems. These operating systems are used to maintain a computer. Without operating system or computer cannot work properly, even it cannot be switched on. So an operating system is the breath of a machine and it enables us to interact computer very well and easily. So dear students, here we have studied about user computer interface. User means user, the operator of the computer. Computer means the machine that is operated by the user, and interface means the environment or the link due to which a user is interacting with computer and user is giving instructions to the computer. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्या होता है, कभी कभी हमारा जो कंप्यूटर का विंडो होता है वो उड़ जाता है, यानी हमारे पास लाइट तो होती है, देयर इज द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, but we cannot give instructions to the computer because of our window has been vanished or window has been destroyed from our system. So our computer is not available, is not ready to operate the instructions. तो क्या होता है, जब हमारा विंडो उड़ जाता है तो हम कंप्यूटर पर इंटरेक्ट नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि कंप्यूटर, इवन हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रिसिटी तो मौजूद होती है, स्विच ऑन भी करते हैं कंप्यूटर को, लेकिन कंप्यूटर हमारे सामने नहीं खुल सकता, क्योंकि उसको जो ऑपरेट करने वाली एनर्जी है, जो उसका ब्रीथ है, वो ख़त्म हो चुका है. तो हम क्या करते हैं, दोबारा विंडो इंस्टॉल कर देते हैं. विंडो इंस्टॉल करने के बाद हम एबल हो जाते हैं कंप्यूटर के साथ इंस्ट्रक्शंस, इंटरेक्शन, सारा जो हमारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस देने का प्रोसेस होता है उसको जारी सारी कर सकते हैं. तो ऐसे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम को हम क्या कहते हैं, विंडोज़. आजकल के दौर में विंडोज़ ज़्यादा चल रहा है, सारे यूज़र्स विंडोज़ चला रहे हैं और विंडोज़ के जो लेटेस्ट वर्जन्स हैं वो हम चला रहे हैं. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, तो विंडोज़ के भी वर्जन्स हैं. उसके बाद उससे पहले डास था, लिनक्स था, यूनिक्स था, तो ये भी विंडो की तरह ही हमारे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ही थे, लेकिन वो भी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम थे, वो भी यूज़र इंटरफेस क्रिएट करते थे. लेकिन क्या है कि एडवांसमेंट जैसे जैसे टाइम बाय टाइम न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी हैज़ बीन डेवलप्ड, देयर इज़ a facility created in newly softwares or operating systems that has been developed. So dear students, we have studied about user computer interface and your lecture is ended here. Your homework is that you will have to find out some types of the operating systems and define them in your words and send me your wise definitions on our WhatsApp group. Inshallah, we will meet in coming up lecture. Still, Allah Hafiz. Dear students, your homework to define the types of the operating system will be found when you will waste the coming up topic, that is types of the operating system, and this topic is also described on the same book page number 32. So dear students, to define the types of the operating system, that is your homework. You can get the hint from your book on book page number 32, topic types of operating system, and send me wise definition on our WhatsApp group. We will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 7.